In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide various elements in Google Sheets, such as tabs, formulas, columns, and rows. This skill can enhance the privacy and readability of your spreadsheets, whether you're sharing them with colleagues or organizing your personal data. Let's start by opening a Google Sheet, either by creating a new one or selecting an existing file from your Google Drive. If you have multiple sheets in a file, you'll often find your current action points are in the tabs at the bottom of the spreadsheet. For straightforward navigation, make sure you've located the precise sheet you want to make changes to. Now, let's move to our next task, going to Sheet 2. By clicking the tab labeled Sheet 2 at the bottom of your spreadsheet, you're ensuring that all of your modifications apply specifically to this sheet. This is particularly useful if you're working in a multi-sheet environment where each sheet might serve a different purpose, so always double-check that you're operating in the correct context. Once you're in Sheet 2, navigate to cell B2 by clicking on it. This cell will be our designated workspace for inputting a formula. Formulas are essential tools in spreadsheets that allow you to perform complex calculations without manual effort. They can link data from different sheets, run arithmetic operations, or even pull in information from external sources. After selecting cell B2, type in the formula =import range. This command empowers you to import a specific range from an entirely different Google Sheet. Within the parentheses, you'll need to enter two components, the URL of the source worksheet and the specific range you want to import. Make sure your URL is enclosed in quotes, and likewise for the range, such as Sheet 1, A2, D10, where Sheet 1 is your source tab and A2, D10 specifies the cell range to pull data from. This is particularly handy when you're dealing with a data set split across multiple sheets or when managing a master sheet that consolidates data from several sources. Once you've accurately typed the formula, simply press the Enter key to execute it. If this is your first time connecting to this particular source spreadsheet, you may be prompted to grant permission. If you see a message requesting access, click on Allow Access. Keep an eye out for any errors that might indicate a typo or an incorrect range, and correct these as needed. Now that you've performed these steps, you should have a clearer, streamlined view with hidden tabs, formulas, columns, and rows, which not only declutters your workspace, but also protects sensitive formulas from being edited by mistake. This concludes our guide. We hope you find these techniques useful in managing your Google Sheets more effectively. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more time-saving tricks in your favorite digital tools.